Okay, this is my first masonry job of two flower beds, and this one has some of the brick coming loose. So what I've done is I've started taking the bricks off that are loose and scraping off the excess mortar all the way around on this side. So I'm about halfway through. And of course I've got to sweep it up, clean it up for the other mortar to be put on. Loose bricks up and stacked up around flower bed, and sweeping the debris off the brick so it can be clean and ready for the new mortar to stick. So all the old bricks are up, and I've just been going around sweeping them off so they can have good adhesion to the new mortar. Okay, I'm making my way around on the bottom layer. I'm doing that layer first, so I'll show you all how I'm doing my process of laying. Okay, now I'll show y'all how I put my top layers of brick on. fill in the cracks. This is my first brick job. Not perfect, but got them all back up. No loose bricks, and they're all secure. These aren't dry yet, so I won't show you on those. These are dry. See how sloppy that is. I'm gonna go back through and clean up with a wire brush or whatever, but as you can see, none of these bricks are moving. I can kick it and it's not gonna go anywhere. So, mission accomplished. That's the bag of mortar mix that I used from Quikrete, and it took 3 bags of the mortar mix. The other thing I used was a gouging trowel that I got at Menards that was about $7 or $8. But I'm taking that back because it looks like after the first job it's already got rust on it. And then a regular bucket. Okay, cleanup time. This is a must-have. You have to have a wire brush with a scraper at the end to help scrape and clean up afterwards. And this is what the project looks like after that is done. If this been scraped and cleaned up, it actually doesn't look that bad.